Let y'all know I don't be playing. That's $60 right there, just that quick. So, yeah, it's doing 2 time. Hey, subscribe to my channel, Buddha. He got power. Yeah, it's doing 2 time. I do everything. Yeah, it's doing lifestyle. Check out my podcast, doing lifestyle. I do everything. Yeah, I do everything. Yeah, subscribe. I do everything. Yeah, I'm coming like a train. Took the horn up. You know I'm doing my fucking thing. What's good, YouTube, man? Just a vlog today, man. I'm vlogging today, man. I'm showing y'all what I'm doing on the daily thing, man. How I do this stuff, man. So y'all stay tuned to the video, man. Check me out. What's good with the YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's another video, man. I'm here today to show y'all. Alright, so if y'all look in the background, man, I got a lot of little scrap. It ain't really too much. This something, you know what I'm saying? So, and I got like these little steel poles and stuff like that. So this all I really got for the scrap yard. But I'm gonna show y'all something. You know how some people be getting scrap. They'll pile them up until they get enough to where they think they know how much it is. All right, some of this stuff be good, right? Some of this shit be good. I don't even think, now correct me if I'm wrong, I don't even think this stuff at a scrap yard gonna give me $60. This is probably because they go by the weight. Now if I put this on the trailer, that trailer ain't gonna go down. You know what I'm saying? So the weight ain't gonna go down on the trailer. You're gonna need like motors, transmissions, and a lot of catalytic converters and stuff like that. So with that being said, some stuff be good. I can sell individually. These steel poles might be something, but I'm gonna hold on to that. But today y'all video, I want to show y'all how to make money, how to make some money off scrap iron, how to make money using parts, selling parts off stuff that's still good, stuff you might not want, other people might want. This video is how to make money, easy, simple. I don't even use this stuff, but today I'm showing y'all what I'm doing today. So for instance, I have these flow masters. I mean some tips, right? That's some tips that came on my car. Selling these 2 tips and these right here. These 2 carburetors and this other tip. I'm selling all this for $60. Now, this gonna need rebuild. Y'all can see the trash and stuff in here. This gonna need rebuild, which, you know, that was told. Let me get over here. This carburetor good, but it's gonna need, of course, you're gonna have to know how to hook this thing up. You put this carburetor on something, you definitely gonna have to run a lot of stuff to it. If I send it to the scrap yard, I'm not gonna get $60 for this. This don't even weigh anything. I can sell these individual, $60. So yeah, guys, this is exactly what we're doing, man. So if y'all wanna learn how to make money, it's all you have to do. Learn how to know what people want, see what people want, post things on Marketplace or Craigslist, however you wanna do it. Take the time, because you never know what people look for. Like for instance, I'm gonna show y'all something else. And I'm only saying this because I wanna show y'all what else I can do, how else I can make money. The same little pile, okay? Only thing I have to do, for instance, this bike. I can clean this bike real good. I can unroll the bike. I can oil the chain, right? I understand it's a bike, but the bike still work, air the tires up, unroll the tires, and post it. I can post this bike, $25. It's a mongoose. First of all, it's a mongoose, $25, but it's a nice little bike. Now, imagine going to Walmart buying a brand new bike for $180, you know, a little more, you know. If they see a bike, boom, hey, I can get you this bike for 20, 25, something like that, boom, easily. These springs are still good. I just have to take those off the spring so I can level back out, but they still good. I can sell the spring $20. I can sell it up for 20. That's $40 I can make off that. You know what I'm saying? Just off this. And I won't get near that. This light right here. This light still works. I don't like it because it's not really bright enough for somebody that might want that light. It might be bright enough for them. $10. But well, there's ways you can make money individually. This is what I have that I know for a fact I can do stuff individually, make money off that, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all something else real quick.
I'm showing y'all this because I have like old parts. I used to have way more parts than I have now. But I'm only showing y'all this because I keep stuff, collect stuff, and sometimes I'll get ready to throw away. And then I think about it like, man, I can sell some of this stuff. Gloves, but you see this bar? It's never been open. But it's a, what you call it? I forgot the bar. It's like a pull bar, or, yeah, it's a little rusted, but it still works. There's oil on it, so it still works. You can sell that. You got chains and just different stuff, you know, boats and stuff. Man, I can use all that for scrap. What I have planned, I have center caps for a Chevy. If somebody want it, they lost center caps, I can post these $10, $15. There's money out here, y'all. Just look behind, look at y'all sheds. If y'all have sheds and all this type of stuff, just look and see what y'all have and just go from there. That's all you have to do. Like, people be looking for stuff. Y'all be surprised what people look for. Radio. Get this radio turned on, pretty sure it works. $20. Somebody can look for a radio. Rock radio. It came out of a Tahoe, but it works. I can post stuff. You just never know who will actually look for that. But I can post it and sell it. So, you know, they done grew up. They don't even ride bikes. $30 bike. $30 bike. It's $60 just that quick. But think about it. Once you post it, you gotta post things to where you know it's a deal, so you can get the money fast. Because some people, when they see that it's not a deal, or they can be like, nah, I can just spend $20 more and buy that at a store, new. So you gotta make it to where it's like, whoa, $10 for this bike? I'm finna get it, but that's $10 in your pocket. Something that you don't need no more, something that you ain't even gonna make if you take that little one bike to the scrap yard. But guys, I'm just trying to put y'all on game, man. But I just want to show y'all how to make money off marketplace, how to do it money the right way, how to sell stuff individually, how to make a profit, how to turn nothing to something, you know what I'm saying? And you can use that investment. Don't sell something, get the money, spend it. Sell something, get the money, spend it. Show your work. Show that when you make this little when I make the little $60, I'm gonna put it to the side. When I make this other extra $80 to $100 off the other stuff, put it to the side. That's $160 I just made. That's an investment. Would I would have got that at the scrap yard? Nah, definitely not. So just letting y'all know how to do it, man. That's how to give y'all some free game. All right, so guys, so I'm about to go and meet the guy now. And you know the good thing, what y'all can do, I'm gonna tell y'all a little secret what I do. All right, so not for everybody. So if somebody really wants something, they're gonna come and get it. Sometimes you have to meet, but you don't wanna get to the point where you don't wanna lose out. Like if somebody 2 hours away and wants something that's a $50, it's a waste of time, unless you just wanna do it. You basically giving it to them for free, because you gotta think about the gas. So I meet somebody at a local grocery store right down the street from me, you know. If I'm making $10 off some, if I know I can go drive 2 minutes away, I know they ain't gonna be worth $10, but I can, you know, I'm gonna get my $10. But I'm not gonna get $10 and have to meet somebody an hour away or 30 minutes away, because I'd be losing. My job is to gain. My thing is to invest, not lose. So anytime y'all have to do something like that and meet, make sure if you do meet, just say $50, you have to meet somebody halfway. You tell them, if I meet, you know, you got to throw an extra 10 in there. Do it like that. I always try to make your money back. So that's just a little tip to get y'all. So don't lose, always gain. If they really want it, they're gonna come and get it, you know. So this the guy here now, he in the truck right here with the flag. So this is how we about to do it, y'all. Hey, how you doing? You doing all right? You said y'all was building, working on the car?
Yeah. 79 Chevy. Yeah. Make sure it's 60. I appreciate you, brother. Yes, sir. Have a good day. It's not me.
You too. All right, guys. So, yeah, man, that's how you do it. Oh, shit. That's how you do it, man. You see they leaving off now, man. Satisfied. And that's just how you make quick buck. Matter of fact, let me show y'all that y'all know I'm be playing. That's $60 right there, just that quick. So that's what y'all have to do. Always game, man. Don't cut yourself short, man. We out here to gain work. You know, at the same time, y'all know it's like, you know, you do business, you do it the right way. Don't get over nobody, but not saying get over somebody, but I'm saying you gotta meet. Make sure you get you a cut off the meat. Make sure you know what's what, unless you just generous and you just want to get rid of it. You don't mind driving, you don't mind doing all that. That's different. I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about the ones that want to invest and make money and do it like that. But like I said, it's $60, man, for that. Y'all can see the piece is gone. That's $60 for that, man. Wow. That just makes me want to just go post what I told y'all I want to go post and just see what it'll do. I might not make the money today. I might make it tomorrow. I might not make it tomorrow. It might be a couple weeks from now. But at the same time, you got to think about what I'm doing. I'm saving that stuff to build up. So everybody takes a whole month for me to build that stuff up to where I want to take it to the scrapyard. But in a month, somebody might call and say, hey, I want to get that bike. Hey, I want to get this. I want to get this. I might make $200-300 already. You know what I'm saying? So that's just a quick tip, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. Thank y'all for watching the video, man. That's how you make money, man. Y'all comment down below. Y'all let me know what else I can do, what y'all want to see, and y'all want to learn some tips, man. I got you. Yeah, man, it's just straight motivation, man. This is how you do it, guys. I'm telling y'all, if y'all have scrap or anything, not just necessarily scrap, but if y'all have some stuff at y'all house that y'all want to get rid of, sell it. Like, if y'all don't want it, man, get rid of. Y'all just gonna pile, man. Y'all can make some money, I'm telling y'all. Like, if I was that type that'll buy stuff just to collect, or people that gave me stuff, I'm gonna figure a way to sell it. There's a lot of shit that y'all probably have that y'all can just individual sell. Go through the piles, go through clean up like I did, sell some stuff individual, and I'm telling y'all, somebody gonna hit y'all up. So the secret to marketplace, I'm gonna tell y'all, show y'all the secret. Take some good pictures and make the title stand out. Like what I did, I said everything must go $60. Boom. It's interest. Not only that, when y'all putting stuff in the description, always put on what's wrong. And y'all can either have I'm gonna tell y'all a little game I had to learn. I put a lot of stuff in a picture and I posted them all in one picture, like put them together and took a picture of everything and said must go $60, boom, boom, boom. And I went back and took individual pictures of each item that I had and put different prices. So for instance, just say if I had a pile and I put everything must go $75. In a visual, you gotta make it look good. Got a carburetor, $20. Got another carburetor, $20. That's $40 already. That's individual pictures. I have a jack that I wasn't using, $40 jack, need a handle, boom. That's $80 right there. That's more than a pile individual. You know what I'm saying? Now I still got other stuff I can sell, $10, $15, $5. You can have this. If you buy this, you can take these two with you. Make a deal with the people, make them interested in your post, make them be like, damn, he told me if I give him 40, I can get these two for free. I'm gonna come. You just made $40. But in a visual, you might make more money than everything in a pile. But sometimes a pile, people might say, I'll buy all of it for the 75. You still gonna make money. You still got money. You still invest. You still sold things no matter what. And whatever they don't buy, you can still sell the stuff that didn't sell. Simple. Simple as that, y'all. So that's a secret. And I always put y'all number in the description also. Like, a lot of people don't really do marketplace and keep going back and forth on Messenger. Sometimes people send y'all a message, you might not see it. But 9 out of 10, we've been on our phone. So 9 out of 10, you put your number down, they're gonna call. When they call you, they serious. And then when they text you, they serious. You know, 9 out of 10. Some people, is it still available? Is it still available? Yes. kind of, you know, you don't have to do a little work by inboxing them, texting them, calling, answering the phone, and talking. You might repeat the same thing over and over and over, but it's a business. Think about it, it's a business, man. Just imagine if y'all get a business, what y'all will be doing. Y'all ain't gonna be sitting there. Y'all gonna be using your head, talking about the same thing, promos, talk about the same thing. It's a lot that you do talking about the same thing to different people. So of course you're gonna have to keep repeating yourself. It's business though. It's gonna benefit you, gonna make you money. So yeah, guys, like I said, I just wanted to show y'all that, man, a little quick buck, man. I'm satisfied, I'm happy. I can use this money to fill up my tank. I can use this money to buy a part for my car without even touching my money, you know? So what I'm gonna do, there's some other stuff that I know. Even the guy said he had other scrap that I can come and get for free. So now that I got a trailer, I can go there and I can hand pick, and boom, do it like that. So there's plenty of ways y'all can like make money. You just gotta get out there and get out there and grind, use your head. You know, don't be too lazy, man. Sometimes you gotta work. But I just want to motivate y'all, man, to let y'all know, I know I can go all day with this. You know, oh man, just $60, but it's not that. Some people might not have $60. A lot of people wake up today might not have $60, but they might have money in their yard that they don't even know, that they might not know they can use the method that I'm giving y'all. So maybe they watch this video and they can see like, damn, I woke up with $0, but I just post this for free. It don't take no money to post it, to put my number down for somebody to come and pick it up, but I just gained $60. Wow. I didn't have to do nothing but post. Look how many, once you do that, you're gonna continue to do that. That's gonna be free money, it's easy money. So, like I said, man, Doinks lifestyle, man. Subscribe to the channel. Check my other channel out. He Got Power. Definitely check out my channels out, man. Let's get He Got Power channel to 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost close to 1,000. But Doinks lifestyle, man, we're going up, man. Let's get it.